Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my program for mining Bitcoin. Here, you can see real-time statistics, your computer's power consumption, real currency exchange rates, your current earnings, your potential earnings load on your network. Depending on the power of your computer, you can earn good money. The program supports withdrawals to various currency networks, so you can withdraw your money on the very first day. You can choose ready-made mining modes, or you can configure them manually. Each mode will show you statistics and your income. I will leave a link to the program in the description, but the number of downloads is limited. I will also update the program and maintain its functionality, so if something doesn't work for you, try downloading it a little later.